Sindhu is one of the paid restaurants on board P&O's Iona and Arvia at midship on Deck 8 and serves Indian food. However, the style of food is a modern Indian cuisine, so don't expect your local curry house. The food here is amazing, and it is by far our favourite paid restaurant on board. We ate here both times we sailed with Iona for the Northern Europe City Escape and the Norwegian Fjords Adventure Cruise. We booked this restaurant 14 days before we sailed on the P&O website. There is a £10 per person deposit, but this is taken off the bill at the end of the meal. And we were offered a 20% discount for pre-booking too. So it's well worth taking a look at the website beforehand if you know you want to eat here. It's also possible to book via the My Holiday webpage app or head to the restaurant to book in person. However, we'd recommend doing this on your first day on board to have the best chance of securing a booking if you did not pre-book before sailing. Across both trips, we've had a variety of dishes, all of which were really delicious. Our favourite dessert is Elements of Trifle, which is a lemon posset with passion fruit jelly. And I think Sarah would book just to eat this as it's her favourite dessert and meal of both trips. So if you're a fan of Indian food, want something a little different, and to try at a paid restaurant on board, this is our recommendation. Thanks so much for watching. Leave a comment if you've got any questions and subscribe if you want to see more from us.